Don't touch.
Live when I did the research, he was 100 years old, and after going through that dangerous period in California, learning to fly in the BT-13 and then onto the Harvard.
That particular aircraft we're about to see. But the Canberra bomber had a huge place in the history, not only of the RAAF, but also aircraft manufacturing in Australia. Yeah. When those remains were repatriated to Australia, this aircraft was actually up there at Richmond RAF Base.
Boy, there was a tear in all the veterans' eyes and the families when the remains of our pilot navigator came back. You couldn't hear a pin drop.
Put your hands together for our Air Chief Marshal Mark Binskin. A-37, attack aircraft model 37. It's a Cessna, believe it or not. 1960s, there were requirements for different countries around the world to produce what they call a counter-insurgency or a coin aircraft. Well, back in the day, a lot of people didn't know what it looked very similar to this, had wingtip tanks. As I said, the noisiest aircraft in the US Air Force inventory, Randolph Air Base in Texas. What Cessna did was to modify the aircraft. Napalm canisters, 500-pound Mark 82 bombs. It was an incredible machine. They were also fitted with, you might have seen on the nose, there was something silver that sat on the nose. That was actually where the barrels of the six-barrel Gatling gun with up to 3,000 rounds a minute could be fired, 7.62 millimetre. The same type of gun that Arnie Schwarzenegger uses in all the movies. It was originally called the AT-37, and it really did perform well, but for some inexplicable reason, the US Air Force decided it didn't want it anymore.